Welcome back to our channel, Green AgriVision. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a journey through the fascinating world of agroforestry and agroecology. In this video, we'll explore how these practices are transforming the agricultural landscape and benefiting both the environment and farmers alike. So, let's dive right in. Agroforestry. First, let's talk about agroforestry. It's an innovative land management approach that integrates trees with crops or livestock on the same piece of land. This harmonious coexistence brings a multitude of benefits. One major advantage of agroforestry is improved soil health and fertility. The presence of trees enhances nutrient cycling, resulting in nutrient-rich soils that support healthier crops. Additionally, the shade provided by trees reduces soil erosion and evaporation, ensuring water conservation. Another benefit of agroforestry is the creation of diverse habitats, fostering biodiversity on farmlands. Trees act as homes and food sources for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife, promoting natural pest control and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Furthermore, agroforestry plays a significant role in carbon sequestration and climate change mitigation. Trees absorb and store carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, helping to combat climate change and reduce the carbon footprint of agriculture. Lastly, agroforestry diversifies income sources for farmers. By combining tree crops, like fruits or nuts, with traditional crops or livestock, farmers can generate additional revenue streams, increasing their financial stability. Now that we understand the benefits of agroforestry, let's take a look at some inspiring examples of successful agroforestry systems from around the world. Agroecology. Moving on to agroecology, it's a holistic approach to farming that integrates ecological principles and social equity. Agroecology focuses on creating sustainable and resilient agricultural systems. The principles of agroecology are centered around biodiversity promotion and ecosystem resilience. By incorporating diverse crops, rotating crops, and implementing polyculture practices, farmers enhance biodiversity on their farms and create more resilient ecosystems. Another key aspect of agroecology is the reduction of chemical inputs and reliance on ecological processes. By minimizing the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, farmers protect the environment, safeguarding water resources, and ensuring healthier food production. Agroecology also emphasizes knowledge sharing and farmer empowerment. It encourages farmers to rely on their local knowledge and traditional practices, fostering innovation and community cooperation. The benefits of agroecology are far-reaching. Improved soil health and fertility, reduced environmental impact, enhanced food security, and resilience to climate change are just a few of the positive outcomes. Let's take a closer look at some inspiring agroecology projects that have made a significant impact on the ground, showcasing the power of this approach. Successful case study. Now, let's delve into a specific case study that exemplifies the positive outcomes of agroforestry or agroecology. In location, farmers faced numerous challenges due to depleted soils and unpredictable weather patterns. However, they adopted innovative agroforestry practices, combining cash crops with native trees, and the results were remarkable. By implementing agroforestry, these farmers experienced increased crop yields and subsequently improved their income. The integration of trees provided shade, reduced evaporation, and improved soil moisture retention, resulting in healthier and more productive crops. Moreover, the introduction of trees in their farming systems restored degraded land, as the roots helped stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. This contributed to the overall conservation of the local environment. In addition, the presence of trees attracted a diverse array of wildlife, promoting biodiversity on the farm. Beneficial insects, pollinators, and birds found a sanctuary amidst the crops, aiding in natural pest control and supporting a balanced ecosystem. By embracing agroforestry or agroecology, these farmers developed resilience to climate change. Droughts and extreme weather events had less impact on their agricultural practices, ensuring food security for their families and communities. The success of this case study is a testament to the transformative power of agroforestry and agroecology. It serves as an inspiration for others to adopt these practices and pave the way for a more sustainable future. Conclusion. We've journeyed through the world of agroforestry and agroecology, discovering the multitude of benefits they offer. From improved soil health and biodiversity conservation to climate change mitigation and resilient farming systems, these practices hold tremendous potential. I encourage you to learn more about agroforestry and agroecology, support local farmers who embrace these practices, and spread awareness about sustainable agriculture. Together, we can make a positive impact on our environment and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on agriculture and the environment. Until next time.